Hello guys, and today I have for you a really interesting task. It is really simple. All you have to do, you have to look at a picture that I have prepared for you, and then you speak about it, whatever you want. Any ideas that enter your mind, you can speak. But the task is you have to speak out loud, just for 1 minute. Because if you want to know English, the main idea about it, you have to practice this skill. And if you not speak, you will not be able to have a conversation with anyone. So, let's do it. Ready? Steady? Go! I hope that was not difficult for you and you managed it. So, see you soon. Bye bye.